This 2014 Winnebago Vista 27N is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, TV, water heater, air conditioning, refrigerator, external shower, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, microwave, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, U-shaped kitchen. This 2014 Winnebago Vista 27N is built on a FordF-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.